Good afternoon, everybody. Alec Ranger, South Bison Office Automation. We're out in Morokweng at Monchusi Primary School, secondary school, with a group of excited people about the HP technology. We bring HP technology to rural schools to optimize the print cost and to ensure that the technology reaches where it's needed. We're with Rachel, our dealer for the area. Rachel, if you can introduce the team, please. Thank you.
Hi, good day, everyone. My name is Rachel. I'm at Northwest Morokweng at Monchusi Secondary School. I'm on the teacher here, specifically at the AU of school, Mrs. Mpo. We just installed the machine today. Very good news indeed. They can just have to tell us how's the machine, how's the technology, how do they see machine? Is it easy to work with? How is it?
The machine seems to be doing wonders. We are happy with the performance so far, and it's doing wonders. We are happy with the speed and the resolution of the color as well. Thank you very much.
That's it.
100%, thank you.
Yes, the machine is here. I'm very happy with the machine because it will upgrade me in my technology as well. And I like the speed of the machine as well as the stapling.
100%. Rachel?
Yeah, that's it for today. We are so happy. Continue to do the wonders. Cheers. See you.
Thank you, Rachel. Bye.